Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Once again you are welcome to my online class of math, class 4. Today I have taken the topic lesson 6, multiplication. This is continuing chapter. In this continuation today I am going to explain you exercise 6D. 6D is based on board mass. Board mass, I will explain you what is called the board mass. Board mass. What is board mass? Board mass means by this rule, this is a rule only. This is the rule only to solve an equation. Okay, equation means where all together division, subtraction, multiplication, addition, everything is given together is called the equation. That equation has to be solved by board mass. And what is the meaning of the board mass? Board mass means first of all you have to solve the given functions in the bracket. Inside the bracket. What is given in the bracket? You are knowing there are three types of bracket. Then okay, this is curly bracket, square bracket, and this is curly bracket. Okay, but first you have to solve this bracket, then this bracket, and this bracket. So whatever, if sometimes given only one bracket, then you have to simply solve the values given the bracket. Okay, this is the first. Then comes O. O stands for off. Off means, suppose sometimes it is given 2 of 3. In the question which is given 2 of 3. See, off means always you have to multiply this and this. Off means you have to multiply. But this multiplication and this multiplication is different. First you have to solve this one. Then you have to go another. Then D. D for division. D for division. Then M for multiplication, A for addition, and at last subtraction. That means you have to follow this step by step according to this board mass. First you have to solve the value given in the bracket, then you have to solve the bracket given in the off, then you have to solve the division, then you have to solve the multiplication, then you have to solve the addition, and at last you have to solve the subtraction. Okay, so let us have some questions both based on board mass. All of you can follow with me exercise 6D on the page number 42. Simplify. When it is given the simplify, that means you have to apply the same only. You have to simplify them and find the answer. Let us have the questions given here. 5 into 8, 5 into 8 plus 7 into 9. Okay, again you just write the board mass here. B for bracket. Is there any bracket? No bracket is there. Bracket is not there, so don't worry about it. O of value is there. Anywhere off is there? No off is there. That also. Next, go for division. Is there anywhere division? No division is there. Next step is multiplication. Multiplication is there? Yes. There are two multiplications. 8 5 40. 9 7. Okay. Now go for addition. This is all the addition given. Now add this and this. 0 plus 3 will give you 3, 6 plus 4 will give you Understood? This is your answer. So according to this formula, you have to proceed step by step. Take some more questions. Then which one you want? This first one is the same only. All are the same only. Take a question the second. Here minus value is also there. 8 into 7 minus 4 into 5. Here you have to again follow the same only. Find whether the bracket is there. No bracket is there. Now find of value, not there. Division, not there. Multiplication, yes, it is there. 8 7s are 4 5s are. Now what is given here? Minus. After multiplication, addition is not there. Leave it. Now go for subtraction. Subtract. If I subtract, then what you will get here? 36. Or not? Here 6 minus 0, you will get the 6. 5 minus 2. Okay. So dear students, all of you have to complete this exercise also. Try to practice. If you are having any problem, you can contact me, or I will send some PDF also for this question because this is new for you. So no problem. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.